So in this Python tutorial on Astropy, so we will be learning that how to create Astropy data table and also how to save this Astropy data table into a file and format maybe feed, CSV or any format you can save it. Okay, so let's first create a data table. So first import some libraries. So import libraries. So you can import numpy as np. Then you can import Astropy table. So from Astropy dot table import qt table. So we have imported the libraries. Now you can give your data. So give your data. So you can give, say I want to give say a equal to, I want to give a equal to np dot linspace, and now I want to give 1 to 10, and I want to give 10 numbers, and then I can give, say y equal to b equal to, I can say it's a square, c equal to, I can say it is bq, and d equal to np dot sign a, and you can also give a string array e equal to, you can give here, say you can give a, b, c, d, e, random you can give, no problem, w, x, y, and then z. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so it's be 10. You can give, say p. Okay, so you got here like 5 columns, and now you want to create a Astropy data table. So for that, type command table equal to qt table, and pass your columns. So you have, say a, b, c, d and e column, c, d and e columns, and you can also give the column names. Okay, so you can give names, equal to, you can see it takes names. So names you can give in form of a string. So you can say it column 1, or say c1, c2, c3, c4, and then c5. So now we have given the column names, and now run it. So I have run the code, and now you can check your table, what your table or how table looks like. So print it. So you can see here you have get table length of 10, and you have say 5 columns, and data types are like float 64 and a string. Okay, so this way you can like create a table of your requirement. You can also increase the column and rows of our requirement. So this way you can print, see how it appears. So the table looks like this in Astropy table. Okay, now first job is done. We have created Astropy table, data table. Now how to save this data into file? So for saving, you need to save this data table into file. Okay, so for that, type here table dot write and give a file name. Okay, so you can see what things it takes. So you can see it takes so many formats. It takes ASCII format, ASCII basic, CSV, HTML, and feeds. So many things you can do, so many formats you can use. So first I will use feeds format. So I will use say Astropy underscore table dot feeds, and I will also write overwrite equal to true, in case I need to run the code again and again. So we have created a feeds table. Similarly, you can also create a CSV file using this. So here I will like CSV file. So just type here dot CSV and run it, and again run the code. So it is saved. Now go and check it. Okay, so I will control F Astropy. Okay, so you can see here CSV format. So here is your data. So you got 5 columns and 10 rows. Your A data, B data, C data, D data, and E data as a string or character. And you can also like go for your feeds, but in order to read your feeds table, you need to import Astropy, so nothing will be like visible in that format. Okay, so I hope you got the idea that how to create Astropy table and how to save this Astropy data table into a simple format, feeds or CSV or any kind of format. So thank you.